Welcome everyone to our channel. We hope you are well. Today we will talk about 10 subtle signs that you have toxic friends that you should not ignore. Friendships are a vital part of our lives, providing support, companionship, and shared experiences. However, not all friendships are healthy and nourishing. Toxic friendships can have a detrimental impact on our well-being, self-esteem, and overall happiness. It is important to be able to recognize the signs of toxic friends in order to protect ourselves and maintain healthy relationships. In this video, we will explore 10 common signs of toxic friends that you should be aware of. 1. Constant criticism. Toxic friends often criticize and belittle you, making you feel inadequate or inferior. They may consistently point out your flaws, mock your achievements, and undermine your self-confidence. Such criticism is not constructive, but rather serves to diminish your self-worth. 2. Lack of support. A toxic friend may be unsupportive and dismissive of your goals, dreams, or challenges. They may be indifferent or even jealous when you succeed, failing to offer genuine encouragement or celebrate your accomplishments. In times of need, they may be absent or uninterested in providing emotional support. 3. Manipulative behavior. Toxic friends may manipulate you for their own gain, using guilt trips, emotional blackmail, or gaslighting techniques. They may exploit your kindness, constantly demanding favors or attention without reciprocating. Their actions revolve around fulfilling their own needs, disregarding your boundaries and well-being. 4. Constant drama. If your friendship is characterized by constant drama and conflicts, it may be a sign of toxicity. Toxic friends often thrive on chaos, creating unnecessary tension and turmoil. They may gossip, spread rumors, or engage in toxic behaviors that disrupt your peace of mind. 5. Lack of trust. Trust is the foundation of any healthy friendship. However, toxic friends may betray your trust by sharing your secrets, spreading confidential information, or using personal vulnerabilities against you. They may also be unreliable and fail to keep their promises, leaving you feeling let down and uncertain. 6. One-sided relationship. Toxic friendships are often imbalanced, with one person consistently taking and the other giving. If you find yourself constantly providing support, time, or resources without receiving the same in return, it may be a sign of a toxic friendship. Healthy friendships are based on mutual respect, reciprocity, and equal investment. 7. Constant comparison. Toxic friends may habitually compare you to others, highlighting your shortcomings and making you feel inadequate in comparison. They may use this tactic to boost their own ego or control your behavior. Healthy friendships celebrate individuality and encourage personal growth without resorting to constant comparison. 8. Lack of empathy. Empathy is a crucial aspect of any healthy relationship. Toxic friends, however, often lack empathy and fail to understand or validate your feelings. They may dismiss your emotions, minimize your struggles, or even blame you for your own pain. Genuine friends offer compassion, understanding, and a safe space to express yourself. 9. Jealousy and envy. Toxic friends may display jealousy and envy towards your achievements, possessions, or relationships. They may try to undermine your success or actively compete with you, rather than celebrating your accomplishments. Their negative emotions can create an unhealthy and toxic dynamic within the friendship. 10. Draining energy. One of the most significant signs of a toxic friend is the constant emotional and mental drain they impose on you. Interactions with them leave you feeling exhausted, anxious, or emotionally depleted. Healthy friendships should uplift and energize you, not drain your vitality and well-being. Conclusion. Recognizing the signs of toxic friends is essential for maintaining healthy relationships and promoting your own well-being. If you identify any of these signs in a friendship, it may be time to reevaluate the dynamics and consider setting boundaries, or, in some cases, distancing yourself from the toxic influence. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive, and nurturing friendships is crucial for personal growth, happiness, and maintaining a healthy social circle. Remember, you deserve relationships that uplift and inspire you, where mutual respect, love, and support are at the core. Have a nice day.